It's Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. We're at 9 Forest Avenue, Unit 3, Cumberland, Rhode Island. It's a third floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour when you walk in. Got your living room area straight ahead. Very spacious. Beautiful flooring. Off the living room, you get the bathroom, with a shower and a vanity, no tub. Here's your entrance there. Kitchen area. Plenty of countertop and cabinet space. Double sink, gas stove, built-in microwave and refrigerator. Plenty of room for a decent sized table there. You get your 2 bedrooms. Both bedrooms could fit a king set easily. Very spacious, high ceilings. Your second bedroom here. I'd like to apply for 9 Forest Avenue, Unit 3, Cumberland, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.